My boyfriend and I decided to grab some breakfast today, and we went to this place that we've gone to a few times, and they're usually pretty good, but today my egg whites were so nasty. They were just so watery and undercooked, I could barely eat them. The potatoes were really good, and the sourdough toast, and of course the fruit, but that was about it. They were really lacking on my eggs, which made me sad. Gas. Here's my cute little Kuromi bag that I use to take jewelry from my house to my work, where I have a jewelry case. I love this bag so much because it can turn into a little pouch. Let's go ahead and pack some of my jewelry. I just got my Amazon package, and this one is for my jewelry business, so we're gonna go ahead and open it up together. I got so nervous for a second. I'm like, I don't know if this is what I ordered, but yes, it is. This is a lint roller that I got to clean my jewelry boxes, like the pillow that's inside of them, because sometimes they get felt stuff, so I like to give everyone a nice clean one. And this is what it is. It's not sticky right there. I think you have to open the stickiness. Okay, there we go. I love that they sent me little replacement rollers, so when this runs out, I can just pop a new one in there. I ordered this design because it looks like a cloud and it just looks super cute. It's very aesthetically pleasing for when I do pack and order with me videos. Here's one of my jewelry boxes, and here's the little pillow inside. See how it kind of has like a little bit of just debris on there from when they packaged the box. We're just gonna go ahead and test this out. Yep, look how clean that looks. That is so clean. That actually does a really good job. I'm definitely impressed with this, and I'm just so excited to like use this in my videos because it's just super cute, and I feel like people would like it. Next on the list, we need to order some more stickers. Every order I get always comes with some free stickers of my business, because who doesn't like freebies? You can put these stickers literally on anything, your laptop, water bottle, phone case, just anywhere you put a sticker. So here is the sticker. I already have it in the cart, and usually they have good deals. Right here it says add 70 more stickers to your cart for $20, and you get a free bottle of mule sauce, which I'm just assuming is basically hot sauce. So I think I might do that. Oops. It's like not much more. Oh my gosh. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and check out. Let's see what we're gonna find today here at Ross. What an Ed Hardy takeout bowl. I didn't know they were making kitchenware now. It's kind of cool. Ed Hardy used to be so big back in the day. I like to find random backgrounds for my jewelry, and sometimes you never know like what could be a good background. Like this has flowers. It's literally to hold your toothbrushes, but if you put it like this and then like post some jewelry in front, I mean, it works. This looks interesting. It smells alright. Who brought their chicken nuggets into Ross and then left their box? Disrespectful. Look at these peep slippers. Do we like peeps or not, chat? I really don't like them. I'm not big into marshmallows, but they're kind of cute. Oh, look, someone stepped on it. Ew. You guys, they have Laneige or Laneige. Is it Laneige? But either way, they have the sleeping mask. What? For $16.99. This stuff is so bomb. You guys, how did I not even see this? Oh my gosh, this is actually almost too big. I can't even hold it with my hand. I need assistance. It's probably such a good deal. How much is it?
$30.
$30? What's the retail? It's usually $88 and it's only $30 at Ross. Dang.
Just got the deals.
They got the plug right now. Ross is coming through with the deals tonight. Usually almost $30, only $13 right now. That's a steal. Taco Bell. I used to not like Taco Bell, but
What you want? And get that grilled as well. Appreciate it.
getting your items grilled is a must. If you haven't tried it, do it because it'll change your life.
Appreciate it.
We secured the bag. Alright, let's see. Yup. That looks about right.
I like that they grilled yours, but not mine.
Oh, wow. They did not grill his. What a crime. Alright, you guys. It is finally the next day. It's currently 9:59. I'm running a little bit late, but I don't live that far from work. So let's go ahead and get there, and we're gonna pack my jewelry case. Do you guys like my cat? He's my little buddy in my car. I love him so much. I finally made it to work. Let's go inside and stand on business. Okay, you guys, here is my jewelry case. I definitely love having the pink vibes. I sold a necklace. That's why there's a spot open. It's like a top view. The glass is a little scratched up, that's why it's looked like that. So we can add some more jewelry. Not everything that's on here is listed on the website. For this one, we only have the pink and gold one, so we need pink and silver and the purple, as well as the clear, but we're gonna have to see if we can make it fit. Okay, so we need to print out a label, so let's go to open and 925, and let's do the purple and gold. I'm gonna open it, and there is the label. Press print. I have all the info right here and the scanner, so it makes it easy to sell. And now we're gonna press print. We need to package them in their boxes. Okay, so we put the necklace in the box. Now, what I usually do is I put a bow to make it look nice. Like this. How cute. Now we need to put the sticker. Okay guys, now it's ready to sell in the case. Let's do the other one now. Okay, here's the silver and purple one. Let's go put them in the case. I'm just gonna scoot this one over. Okay, I'm gonna put the gold one in. I'm going to scoot some over. I guess I'm gonna put these earrings like towards the front. They're my new blossom earrings. They're made from 925 sterling silver. They're super beautiful. Now this one can fit. These are stainless steel. They're the all-star bracelets, and I actually have one on right now. It's that first one. The gold one is a new cosmic bracelet that is going to be releasing really soon. They're making them right now. It goes all the way around. And the very last one with the diamonds is not released yet, and it was a sample. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring it or not. I want to, but I'm gonna have the design go all the way around because that's how I prefer the bracelets. So just stay tuned for that. earrings, my aunt in Colombia makes them, and she was here recently, so she brought them over to sell. She makes them by hand.